Hey, Anne, I thought that it would be easier for me to just show you rather than write a lengthy email about how to navigate PowerSchool. So this is where all of the information is that you are looking for. So on the class page, which is right here, it should be when you click on the biology button, it should bring you right to this page first. And so this is the daily agenda and homework. So you can see here Monday, December 10th, what we did is we went over the homework and we took notes on chapter 7.1. The homework was the organelles worksheet. And so Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So the homework and everything we did in class is always there. And so if we look at, let's say Wednesday, January 16th, the homework here was TED Talk, Printing a Human Kidney. And so the homework you can see here is TED Talk, Printing a Human Kidney. This is the document that goes with it, so it's under Files. And if there are any links, they are usually put right here under links. So if you see VQA, Osmosis and Diffusion, was Wednesday, 1/9. And so if we went down here, homework, VQA, diffusion and osmosis, I reversed it. And so here, VQA, diffusion and osmosis, this would be the link that you need to use to get there. So this is where everything is, what we did in class, what homework is. And so here there are key questions in vocabulary. That's study guides for quizzes and tests. And this was the midterm study guide. So anything that you need should be on this page. It should be pretty easy to navigate. And if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. But this should be able to help you navigate through the backpack and all of the papers. All right, I will talk to you later.